In today's interconnected world, the threat landscape is constantly evolving, and the consequences of a security breach can be catastrophic. But what if you could stay one step ahead of the game? This course is your key to mastering the art of effective modern security management and operations. Imagine the confidence you'll exude when you can proactively identify and mitigate security risks before they manifest into costly breaches or data compromises. Envision the peace of mind that comes with knowing your organization's assets and information are safeguarded from cyber threats. Through interactive case studies and hands-on exercises, you'll delve into the latest security management strategies, technologies, and best practices. From risk assessment and incident response to access control and security operations, you'll emerge as a security powerhouse, equipped to navigate even the most complex security challenges. Don't leave your organization vulnerable. Seize the opportunity to attend this course and unlock a future of unwavering security resilience. Protect your bottom line, safeguard your reputation, and sleep soundly knowing your security house is in order.